Congratulations on the success of trade negotiations. Cambodia receives tariff reductions on exports to the United States under the initiative of Samdech Thibhat Hun Manet. According to the White House, released on the morning of August 1, 2025, U.S. President Donald Trump has decided to reduce the tariff rate on imports from Cambodia from 36% to 19%. Samdech Thibhat Hun Sen, Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Cambodia, has made significant efforts to strengthen economic and trade relations with the United States, a major market for Cambodian exports. To help promote the country's development and improve the livelihoods of its people, Samdech initiated discussions with U.S. leaders to request tariff reductions on Cambodian exports. On July 26 and 28, 2025, Samdech Thibhat had a telephone conversation with His Excellency Donald Trump, President of the United States. During the discussion, Samdech highlighted the importance of peace and economic development for Cambodia, a country that has been at war for more than 500 years. Samdech requested that the United States reduce tariff rates so that Cambodia has the opportunity to continue developing the country and improve the livelihoods of its people. The results of these negotiations were a great success. The United States has agreed to reduce tariffs on Cambodian exports to 19% from the original 49%. The reduction was made in two steps, first to 36% and then to 19%. This is good news for Cambodia because it helps our goods, such as clothing, footwear, and agricultural products, to be more competitive in the U.S. market. The reduction in tariffs will help local producers spend less on exports, have higher profits, and create new jobs for the Cambodian people. It also helps to boost the national economy and support the royal government's goals of industrial and trade development. Diplomatic engagement. In addition to the trade success, Samdech Hun Manet expressed his deep gratitude to His Excellency Donald Trump for helping to promote peace in the ASEAN region, especially by supporting the ceasefire between Cambodia and Thailand. His Excellency President has been closely monitoring the implementation of the ceasefire to ensure lasting peace and good relations between Cambodia and Thailand. His Excellency Donald Trump has shown great empathy for Cambodia's difficult history and is determined to help the Cambodian people have peace and opportunities for further development. On July 28, His Excellency promised to review the tariff reduction request and make Cambodia happy. The decision to reduce the tariff to 19% is a fulfillment of that promise and a testament to the good relationship between the leaders of the two countries. Appreciation and participation. Samdech Thibhat Hun Manet deeply praised the negotiating team led by His Excellency Deputy Prime Minister Son Chantal and all stakeholders. The team worked energetically and intelligently with the U.S. side to ensure that Cambodia received favorable trading conditions. And this tariff reduction will bring great benefits to the Cambodian economy. It will help boost exports of key goods such as clothing, footwear, and agricultural products, which are the backbone of our economy. Increased exports will bring in more revenue, create new jobs, and help build better infrastructure and public services. In addition, good relations with the U.S. will pave the way for new cooperation in areas such as investment, technology, and education. The royal government of Cambodia, under the leadership of the Samdech Thibhat, will continue to seek new opportunities for Cambodia to become a country with a prosperous economy and lasting peace. The victory of this negotiation demonstrates the royal government's determination to improve the lives of its people. Prime Minister Hun Manet hopes that this tax cut will help boost the economy and give people confidence in the country's future. He also called on all parties to continue working together so that Cambodia can achieve its goal of becoming an upper-middle-income country by 2036. I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please click subscribe, like, and share the video. If there are any shortcomings or you want to add something, please leave a comment. I am happy to accept improvements. I apologize for any mistakes and see you in the next video. I wish you good health, good luck, and good luck.